I'm appalled, and that this would happen, because this is exactly what the Affordable Health Care Act was supposed to try to protect against.
Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz is appalled at the conduct of Takecare, which won't be paying rebates to its subscribers next month under Obamacare's medical loss ratio rule. Instead, the company will be paying $15 million in surplus premiums to their shareholders, not the subscribers who paid those premiums. Although Takecare has not returned PNC's call for comment, what they did appears to have been entirely legal under the law which allows a loophole called capitation, enabling a company to transfer administrative costs to subcontracted medical groups like clinics, and then count those costs as medical expenses, even if they're not spent.
That's all a ruse to collect all of the money and claim that it was all expenses, as opposed to being actual expenses. I mean, if they could show
they will say that it's entirely legal, allowed by law.
No, it probably is. But if they could show that operating the clinic ran $15 million, then that would be okay, that the cost of operating the clinic. But it obviously is not the cost of operating the clinic, since they're able to, that's a profit that they're dividing amongst themselves as a dividend.
What can you say about this $15 million figure?
With regards to the $15 million figure, our office is not allowed to provide such information.
This is a confidential document?
The annual statement is a confidential document.
Insurance Commissioner Art Ilagan declined comment on the Takecare issue, referring us to his regulatory administrator, John Carlos.
And you can't release this, then?
It's not available to the public.
We shouldn't have a copy of this?
Technically, you should not have a copy of it.
This copy of Takecare's 2011 audited financial statement given to PNC News reveals not only the $15 million Takecare is paying its investors, it also reveals $11.3 million in claims unpaid to its subscribers, which naturally raises the question of whether or not there is sufficient funding left within Takecare to pay the claims. And that explains this recent notice from Takecare published in local papers. The notice starts by acknowledging a distribution of surplus funds without naming the amount, and it goes on to say that Takecare still has enough money to cover its claims.
This notice is required by the Office of the Insurance Commissioner to make sure that when any insurance company declares dividend, they have adequate remaining capital within which to cover their risk in Guam. It's designed so that if there is any subscriber whose claims are not being paid on time, can lodge a complaint with the commissioner to indicate how come this company is declaring dividends if my claim with this company is not being paid in a timely manner.
Are there any complaints filed with Rev and Tax over Takecare's failure to pay?
We have not received at this time any complaint from any of its subscribers of the failure of Takecare to pay claims.
Kevin Garrigan, PNC News.